Hi, in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to mark text as important in Google Messages. So, you need to have the latest version of Google Messages that you can get from the Play Store or the App Store just by tapping on Play Store, and on the search bar you will type Google Messages. Alright, this is the app, and then you will check if there are any new updates, so to make the app updated. So once you update your app, or you found out that you have the latest version, I want you to get through your app by tapping on it, and then here choose the conversation that you want to make that text or that message as an important message in Google Messages. So let's just get through that conversation or any other conversation. All right, and then tap and hold the message that you want to make as an important message in Google Messages. All right, and then I want you to go and look for that four options right here on the top right corner. All right, and here the second one from the right will make that message by tapping on it as important. So just tap on it, and yeah, this message turned into an important message in the app. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.